Hey yo, welcome to another episode of Sound Sessions Podcast. I am your co-host, Coprizi What the Easy. We have a new co-host this week, which is Swiper RSA.
Hey yo everybody. What's up bafethu? Ungonyezi lo bafethu khabazela. I'm Swiper 039 abaningi bangazi bafethu somehow. Not quite sure. Ngabonala phambili. Yeah, we got our visitors today.
Today we have three guests.
You know the vibes.
In Snengweba, Sayola,
Yes, sir.
and you know him, he was here last week. Sam Kelother. Can you please introduce yourselves? Tell us where you're from.
Okay.
I'm not sure.
Another one. Say something so nice you had to say it twice, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Steady chilling, you know what I mean? We in the hood, I'm joking, we in the suburbs, guys. God, we don't do all that funny stuff there. We in the hood, no, we in the suburbs, we good children, you know, steady chilling.
Yeah.
It's your boy here, Beats on One Beats, coolest producer alive.
Ooh.
Here from the three side. Oh my gosh, we keep all this.
Hey.
So okay, hey guys, last week's episode was a bore, mate. It was too much.
Too many things happen. Apparently people are getting arrested now.
No.
Damn, bro.
Information of what and what.
Of character. Hey.
Things are happening.
Protection of personal information.
Hey.
It's going down. It's going
The episode was down for a couple of hours or days. I'm not quite sure, but it's up now.
Yeah.
It's out.
It's up.
Yeah.
Go check it out, guys. The episode.
Hey, biblically, bro.
It was going down.
Hey.
A lot happened. That's all I can say. A lot going on. Hey, not me. I'm not.
Hey, yo.
Somebody tell us. Somebody must tell us.
What happened,
So
James?
our guest last week, it's almost like he was venting. You see,
Yeah.
things he told us.
It was deep.
Yeah, it was venting.
It was deep. Hey, I don't want to mention names. Hey, I got a text in the morning. The text was like, "Hey, I'm gonna record this podcast if you don't remove the video." And I was like, "Hey, we never said anything. We never said anything about you. It was the guest. Go talk to him." So the guest apparently he said
Very personal stuff. Very personal stuff.
he said what he said is he's not gonna go back there
Hey,
because you got that name.
no, you must not say it because we're going to court.
Who's going to
Going to court.
I don't want to talk about this. Hey guys, you should go check the episode. You're gonna see for yourselves.
But
Hey,
guys, do you think she misused the definition of character?
the problem is
Can she spell defamation? I'm joking. I don't know. I don't know.
Hey,
I don't know.
hey, this nigga dropping bars. He's cooking. He's in the kitchen. Yeah, nigga. That's what's up.
Okay, I'll get to the question. Do you think she misused the word? Because I don't think we did.
yeah.
Yeah, she did.
The thing is, only names were mentioned.
Yeah.
We never specifically said
And
who.
it's
Which
not
one?
the podcast, it's someone who was a guest, so we're not liable for that.
It wasn't
So
specific.
reporting us is something else. Reporting us is something else.
So
That's
I
the
would
thing.
just give the disclaimer to the part where she saw.
Watch the disclaimer.
Okay, the disclaimer.
Yeah,
I
that's
think-
a problem.
I think you saw the clip.
Disclaimers.
I think
We need the disclaimer.
I think
No,
it's
Yeah.
nobody. Disclaimer.
But they are there for these type of things.
Yeah.
But we are protected somehow, so let's continue. The episode is out. Go check it out on YouTube. Let's continue. What's up?
Yeah. Move on from that. So why you late, boy?
tell us what we've
Why-
been waiting.
No, it's fine.
We've been waiting for you, boy. Why you late?
I made.
Close to 3 hours now. Hey.
Nigga was cooking.
Bro.
What were you cooking? Were you cooking something? What were you cooking, my guy? Tell us.
What was happening?
Tell us. What were you cooking?
I was busy. That's all I can say.
You're on top of it, boy.
No. Fish.
I hear you, my guy.
On top of food.
Damn.
Doing what? Where?
Oh no.
For a while. How? I was praying.
Oh yeah.
You're praying alone.
Yeah.
Alright.
You
Feel you.
believe me, man.
Yeah.
You believe me, man.
So you all niggas tell us now.
Yeah?
Can you vouch to that?
Hey, where was I? I was also praying. I was also praying. Also praying.
Man of God.
Hey, praying too. Those questions don't deserve the answer. I'm joking. I was
Alright.
praying, you know, praying. Praying with my
Yeah.
Huh?
What about sleep? What about it?
You've seen the old lady there, the queen, the pope,
Yeah.
when she prays.
Hey, this guy.
I'm the same, guys. See, people praying, eh?
Of course.
Yeah.
Hallelujah to that.
You should plug us. We also want to pray. You should
So niggas, people don't know you. You should introduce yourself so
Introduce
people
myself.
know.
Hey, me, I'm not known.
Where your niggas from? What you doing,
Where
niggas?
you from? Hey, I'm from my mother's womb.
Niggas, this guy.
I'm joking, you know, I'm from somewhere where dead. You know, when you jump the border, but it's not jumping, but in a flight.
Boma Trump.
Over the cloud.
Yes.
Boma Trump, so.
We're from a country where people like to speak like this. You know what I mean?
That's what I'm saying.
When I'm with a bunch of people I don't know, like I'll just speak like this. I'm like, what's wrong with you, bro? Like,
Yeah. What's up,
Like,
America?
nah, bro. This is how I speak, bro. I speak very dapper, very proper, you know. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
You don't beat around the bush with these words.
He's cooking.
Nigga should put you on my mic. Nigga.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, it's on to me now.
What happened to your career now?
Oh damn.
Oh, me.
Yes, bro.
All niggas onto something now. No.
What's the record?
Nah.
Don't get a crew.
I don't really. Nothing happened. It was over. I was done. That's it.
What do you mean you were
Nothing.
Rapping.
Until the game too much.
What was that?
I wouldn't say I killed the game, but I was done. It wasn't for me. I had some other things.
Nigga, I
That's
don't
it.
know your tracks, bro.
Don't know me.
Your tracks. I know that you're a rapper, but
There's a song there for signing, I think.
Let's move on from there. We have guests. We're not be cooking beef. Why are you being personal?
Yeah, I remember that shit. I'm smoking nature.
Oh, shit is about me now.
You know what I mean?
Sick story, but it's yeah.
That's just a question.
Dope
Nah,
as visuals, by the
bro.
way.
Nothing happened. It was just.
So
It was
you
just
never
like-
drop a song.
Sorry.
Never signing.
Dropped it. All platforms. Is it still there now?
Oh,
Give us a preview. No.
They took it down.
it's down. It's been years, dog. It was back in Boma 20. I don't know. Snippet. Things, guys. That's not happening. That's not happening. Right. Nah. Rap is even out of me now. I'm into money now. Yeah, I'm cooking money now.
Cooking money,
Yeah.
making money.
Yeah. Yeah, if it's anything, guys.
Only money that
Only money that I want. You never give me. Take your last one
Gonna
challenge,
give.
throw in the microwave oven, and I make oven.
Gonna give me, bro.
and I don't
Gonna
feel.
give.
Hey, bruh.
Hey, gonna give only money.
Somehow you are also rapping.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you tell us about yourself now, man. Yeah.
Shit, bro. Yeah, tabanga dog. Me, the reason why I call myself versatile because I'm versatile, bro. I can rap, I can dance,
Do
bro.
anything.
Make beats, bro.
Yeah.
Freestyle.
Drop some things for us. I'm sure the people want to know. I'm sure the people want to know who's this nigga. Versatile nigga.
Hey, nigga, listen is my culture. I'm a carnivore, put the beef on the plate and eat it up like a vulture. I know vulture, I'm a false, I fuck around, I'm a liver, scar, let me pause.
That's messy versatile for you.
Comedy giving out the hood with this one.
Yeah. So now you're still on the music side or you're only producing now?
I'm producing now. Just produce the track with the Factor. Anyways, guys, Crash Out Baby's out. Rush Factor. You listen to that shit. It's all out on all platforms, bro.
All right.
Platforms. Crash Out Baby, bro. Type shit. So yeah.
Full hands in this music thing because I'm quasi.
What? Oh damn, bro. Me, I'm a son and mover, bro. Yeah.
You snipe.
I'm a shot shooter.
But no said that we snipe. But yeah, well, it's born in jail.
Oh damn, bro. You miss it now, bro.
From what? Yeah. It's all monagal. You are invisible. You are invisible.
From your point of view,
What's that?
what's the pros of like moving like a sniper?
Yeah.
Being a silent mover, dog, as I said.
What if someone chops your gold, man?
Yeah. Like
What if someone has?
I.
What is it mean?
That's possible somehow. It's no my it's marketing nani.
It's okay.
Dang. Oh, that's okay.
That's what it is.
That's why I'm to take faith. That's why I'm bold.
Oh shit. Damn, bro.
So, Nina. I'm on a man.
I want to punish you.
And Simbagan,
As a guy, in animations, I'm born and I retired.
This is a shit. That's why I'm from.
True shit.
That's why I'm from.
Yeah, MJ, not trust, bro.
I need you, boy.
Shit, nah.
Oh, 9.
Because I'm the one.
In the kitchen.
God damn, nah, bro.
Now.
So she's not alone.
That's what you say.
No.
Multi-operational.
Yo.
Oh, yeah, for combinations.
Just how it is.
Let's not talk about
America.
like, hey, yo.
Like you're a guest.
I'm a guest.
Yeah. It's all about you.
Hey, me, I'm married, boss. I'm married. Hey, engaged. Engaged. Don't have time here. Hey, fuck shouting out.
Shout out, Baba.
Hey, man. Shout out to the Ulom. Love my life.
I was sweating my soul down.
She knows who she is. You know what I mean? Instagram hat,
What about you, Sam?
Love of your life.
Love of my life.
See, no long.
What about you?
Take it.
Yeah. Probably. Hey, I'm not gonna say this. Yeah, but
But who? Around the market.
around the coast, the corner, but
Alright. Not like market corner though.
Go for my shades of boy always.
Evidence. Evidence.
What else? Okay.
Give a shout out now.
Last week was from our worst experiences. This training my best
I beg your pardon?
Last week we were talking about our worst experiences with health. This week let's talk about our best experiences. Best experiences.
That's
I feel like you have a story. I feel like you have a story. I don't have stories. I'm not a guest. We can listen to something.
Everyone is
You
gonna
go start there, then you come to us.
everybody, man. Like,
Use
what's
a
going
guess.
on? Like, we guess. We're supposed to do it last. We're supposed to see how it's done. You know what I mean?
Man, nigga, I don't have
Because I don't
I
want
don't
to
have
expose
good-
like some.
I don't have good shit. That's why I'm not jolly, but it's story Sam you sing song. I'm telling you, my guy, and Paige. I tell you, Paige.
Mary.
I tell you.
How? After this episode is attacked.
No, my nigga, I swear to God, why am I about 100% again? Oh, with a face.
I say you should buy just smooth.
I don't have. No guy one head and now I Hey, gang. Hey, boy. High school time. But I see collab. We are not here, gang. We are talking about something else. We're gonna come back here. For now, we're still here.
Yeah, but I vote.
We are not.
Let's start with the question. Best experience.
Best experience.
I'm
Cat.
done.
Cat.
That's cat.
Best experience it has, man.
Doesn't have to be sexual.
Yeah.
Some-
With your hand or previous hand.
Oh, me now, best experience we had in there too. I think the Air Force is again.
Damn, nigga. Yeah. Wow. It's a first. Damn.
Not the code of it.
Yeah. Things went south. South Coast.
It's high.
just like the relationship, eh? It's gone, my guy. Let's go on. My
Hey,
guy.
man, I don't even know this part, you know. And it's been smooth cruising.
Been cruising nicely, eh?
We're cruising nicely.
Mm,
Cruising smooth.
my guy.
I don't want to talk too much.
Tell us something.
I know me, I just always get spoiled like a little baby. Like a baby. Don't just talk out. Oh.
Our president.
So every hand you dated.
Not every. Oh, yo, we have some. I don't even know online. Online, I don't be dating that. I don't be dating. But
Just for Charlie.
I cannot confirm nor deny.
Sneaky
know what I
one
mean?
twat.
There's a P on answer.
You know, you can't be saying those things on the internet. Somebody's like, I know him, he's my ex.
Yeah.
Oh, no, that's it.
You don't know why? Don't know me. Have wives and stuff.
Yo.
Why? Why the hell? Because the ex cannot be solved.
You're like wise.
Why?
Why?
Yes, nigga.
Yo.
Why?
Yeah, you're messy, but
Yo.
too messy.
Ay,
Moving on.
no one it was easy.
Moving on, my brother. With me, what did I get? First-hand experience. This one. Hey, me, I don't know.
Baning.
What's that?
Baning.
It's not necessarily cool to tell something.
Speak up,
A
Baba.
lot happened, but a lot going on. It's lovely. It's calm, cool, collected. Hey, but this one, hey.
These niggas don't want to open up. Don't want to open up. Alright.
Only actually, yo, guys.
Speak up. You have a story. I can see you have a story, my guy.
Hey,
Tell the story.
Not today, baba. Not today, baba.
Sakuphatha
Uba.
Leo,
No man from
If so, if I heal up, I'm gonna be a shell. I'm
man.
What happens if you die?
It's a decide right now.
It's shy.
Not that it's gonna cause more problems.
Umuntu nimeka kancane.
Uba-
In the future ngisazobuyela makwenzeka.
Yeah, but angiboni sisazobuyela because long call.
Awukhona ukujamela.
You're pretty nice, my guy.
Yeah, but let us take
Don't be defamation. We are going down, my guy. We are getting cancelled. We are getting cancelled.
Who's that? Yeah, who's that?
Right.
Moving on.
But uzizwe njengendoda at some point. Phekele nje wenze yonke into ichile.
Oh my god.
That's the best experience.
Oh my god.
Best experience.
Was it a bless or something?
Nah, boy, it wasn't a pleasure. Who's that? Who's that?
The old one.
Nah, bro.
One of
They got tea.
Nah, bro.
from around here.
Yeah, that's okay.
I was saying,
Who's that boy? Yeah?
Why? Eddie Cruz.
I don't know about that.
No.
No, bro.
No.
They both operated beyond.
Yeah.
Yeah, like suppose but I think it's better.
Oh.
It's not her. It's not her. I never knew you operated.
With Mr.
Up
Hectic.
until now, recently.
Oh.
The homies.
I never knew that.
Sharing
Call
is caring,
hosting, call everything, eh?
Code doesn't exist. What happened?
Bro, called Gaja, you know, I never knew you operated. They never said. I only found out now that I did so in the past. Am I lying, my guy?
But it's not the first time.
Easy line.
Hey, the homies.
It runs in the family. Runs in the family.
It's the second one.
Oh, shit. How you know all of this?
who goes after?
What? Hey.
Which one?
Who goes after?
Yeah.
Oh.
My.
Now my guy is dropping
When
something.
you say who goes after, mina zoya ngazela ukuthi operate.
But who goes after?
I don't
Yeah.
know.
For 10 marks.
But you always finding out.
Okay, full information of
It means something now. We shall find out.
It is him, my guy.
Two hands.
Yeah, my guy.
Damn, my nigga.
Man. Ain't that about a bitch?
Hey.
Me personally, man, my pride was never.
You see the tail lights, my guy.
What tea lights are you talking
Oh, you're not there.
Come on.
Relax.
We're not hectic.
What about me?
The biggest hand.
Just keep on.
When
What about it? Hey, your best experience of that?
I think 90% of the girls I date, they give me the first version of this.
Siyababonga squeeze. Sure.
That's what.
That's
He's out.
What's it?
90%. 93. Hey. Oh man.
It's only one hand in that I like. So
Wasn't the one.
99%,
Not the
98%.
All the way mentioned last week.
But the first one, then I
My guy? What are you saying, my guy? My guy. The statement.
I was moving next time and the mom.
Oh my guy. At least. Yeah, boy, I'll it's alright.
What did you do?
Questions and answers.
Hey. You know, you have the guns in Sharon.
Bro, that's sibalifundela le gama sibalibisa.
I even said thank you for the meeting.
The hell?
Thank you. Oh, don't care.
Shit, what's it, boy?
What's that about it?
Sonke sibilile lapho kodwa khona. Kanti bayifundela lona.
How?
Hectic.
Speaking from experience, bro.
Best.
Now we are both.
Shit, my guy. Yazobuyela le nto.
Them short.
You get it 2,000 one.
I don't know anything about that.
I cannot confirm.
False accusation.
Accusations. It's not alleged, my guy. They're speaking what they know.
Facts. Facts.
It's better.
I'm not supposed to live.
Hey, no way, I don't know that shit.
So you gave 200 at once. I couldn't expect it, man.
Nah, I would say it was.
You are there to snack, my guy.
Nah, I didn't get to that.
Shit.
You gave it 200, you didn't try it. Oh, shy.
Yeah, my guy. No win, no nothing.
What a waste of
No
time.
win.
What a waste of time.
If I was shy, I'm gonna get an Excel.
Back.
Yeah,
I don't know.
fans.
XXK.
Skate, tell us something, my guy.
Hey, the answer was great. Like 90% of the answer they did was pretty nice. So I know experience.
Yo, music.
Hey, niggas be having nice life problems, bro.
It's nice, eh?
Hey, but no nice problems, bro. Not even like, man. No, man.
Hey, did you not know undercover? Bafana, you fine guy.
Hey, you're packing in. Smiling.
Cheese.
No experience. No experience.
No experience.
No.
Inkabi.
No experience. Only money that I want. Only money. Never give me.
You're gonna give me. Tell us something, my guy.
No experience.
Yeah, like cheese.
Just chopping. That's
Chopping
Always
vibes.
hurting me, boy.
Nine vibes, bro. Just like
Tuhela banyana.
Just like swipe back heads now.
Ah, boy, sebahluleka masukuyimina manje. I'm in the kitchen, I'm cooking.
Calling the shit is Kumanga. Yeah, that's why.
yeah.
Back to that question, my guy.
Hey, big question, guys.
That's a weird idea.
It's in.
Which one is this one?
That's of course.
Wow. I need to
Yeah.
I think it's the best one.
Nah,
No, it's not the best.
The best.
No, it wasn't the worst.
What's the episode? Amen.
Let's try.
Try.
Lapho ngiyazi and I won't tell you. Please.
I'll tell you.
Yeah, let's move on.
You're gonna buy
Oh,
Uza
niggas.
nazo babuze.
I guess you answer the question, Babu.
Abakho.
Ngifuna ukufind out kahle kahle khona ngizophinde ningibuze.
Next.
It's the worst experience, man.
It
It was that.
sengamane kuphendule labo bengekho ukuthi ithini i-worst experience.
Yo, ayibuhlungu udog. Yo, yabo mfethu indaba ngolamoto plus.
Yo.
Athathele ithekeni dog. Mshito nemoto. Ngihamba nayo.
Uhamba nayo.
I'm up there. Everybody lying.
Banganinzi.
What's the meaning, bro? Especially I need to
First time.
Amen.
No, I think I was tired. Yeah. So bad, dog. Hey, kumba serious ngifuna umbhalele kuzela dog.
Oh shit, my guy.
Turns out mfethu bone khale ya phone athi ubhuta I'm like okay, shit.
It was already charged.
Wajika mfethu, wakhambi imoto mfethu.
Edlula la kwena imoto. Uthelanga ngamanzi.
Benganethi though.
So that's why I'm
ukuthi nokuthi amphethe ngathi nathini isathi.
Hey man,
Shit, bro.
it is what it is.
Shit, bro.
Hey, the mom is.
So yeah, dog.
Yeah.
What about you, dog?
What's that shit? It's like,
you know his story. You know his story.
I am boy. Joanna.
Nasila lapho sola ama topics.
Proof yokuthi besihleli sonke sahleka ingane ngathi irapile kwavele ithombe izokhala zayo ababhekana.
Okay.
Sure.
Yeah.
One. Yeah.
Okay, there's this thing I saw on TikTok earlier today. They're explaining there's this rule as of here, like South Africa. If mhlawumbe meet up nengane noma nihlangana clubbing, uthenge nama drinks and then ngithatha ithombe kube mnandi.
So there has to be pictures. If there are no pictures,
Yeah, I think so. But if proof we were having a cozy time.
Yeah.
Sihambe siye endlini mhlawumbe sendishaya into ka-1
Yeah.
ekuseni and then she goes to the police station ayongivulela i-case bese mina ngithi hayi angingenzanga lutho nazi iy'thombe here's everything bekumnandi kodwa hayi ngiyone-rape case leyo ngicabanga naleyo nto
I feel like it's right mfethu because mothi yabuka mfethu ebezenzeka abantu aboshwe and most of ama-suicide cases amajida ilezinto ezikanje so bedingeka ukuthi bawoboshwe.
suicide case.
What about umdlwengula ngempela?
Yeah, no, so boys.
Izithombe uzozithola kanjani?
No, like
Nah.
ingane
Izithombe uzothola kanjani?
Yeah, mina bese clubini ngiz-approve or
not
somewhere.
clubbing
Yeah.
per se, but
Yeah,
like
okay, yeah.
out noma kini, noma la endlini.
Yeah.
But if
Futhi if angamshutha like engala ngishuthe nge-back camera.
no,
Okay, what if ngiyafika mina ngihleli nabo mina ngiyabashutha?
yeah.
Okay, yabona-ke la.
No, like siyashuta, take selfies, yeah, sure. Mefendli, ugela sicha ngifuna ukuyala nawe.
Then it's tough.
Ubeyaphi?
How can you do that? I got the chance, man. It's tough.
Yeah, kodwa manje usuke yaphi nazo azifake kwi-situation enjalo. Angithandi bakhulumela abantu abenza lokho. Say.
People will
Most
say
of the yeah, what do you mean there?
No, it's
guy,
no.
yours iphume ngendlela e-wrong yena. Yeah. No.
Yeah, I was about to ask, how did this topic even like disappear for 2 seconds? Next thing niggas is talking about.
Kodwa
Big
positive side khona ukuthi
obviously.
some people
Yeah.
are gonna be safe na amajide kakhulu ama-blesser babathengela babathathe bambe na bavume
Yabo.
babashuthe benze yonke lezi zinto lezi bese la bahamba bathi ayi-rape same bafuna ukugeza.
No, like they have pictures that we were having a good time, conversations of all me.
No, I'm talking for his side lamajida.
Wasifika endlini, athi cha, I changed my mind.
Yabona-ke lapho-ke that's where ihleli izokwenzeka loo nto ilo ayikwazi lokuprotecta everything khona la kuzoba khona ama-loopholes-ke manje ilawo.
So when you say into enhle le
It's not a good thing though side but there is a positive side of it. And yona idinga kakhulu bangapha abantu ababoshiwe for i-rape abangayenza
Equality yini la South Africa yangayo mna.
equality bethi into engadingeki le if labantu abathi labantu abathi bayifuna just like into esiyi-experiencile last week but sena mfethu like masikhuluma izinto khona izinto ezi-personal ingamele sizikhulume thina because we are personal too ama-females bazoba equal kanjani nathi khona into ezofika ngendlela e-wrong.
Tina, best vent.
And but we wrong.
What's also wrong?
So if it's equality, I don't think bazoyimela masiba khona because a law ayinayo equality bayona. Yayazi.
So when it's equality be cut.
Not yeah, kodwa ingafani nakuqala back then it was too much.
So would you say you're equal to a woman, right?
No,
Why?
because you provide.
Oh,
Yeah.
Provide
women can also provide, yeah.
Akaza okay, ukhona okangithengela iskip but abaningi abakazi bangithengele ngisho iskipa ba-providerani
No,
kumina.
that's not being a provider.
Providing mina mangiprovide ngiprovide ifamily yami naye yena uzoprovide yena nama-nails and
Just bringing beauty.
come on beauty my friend kunemali man.
Provide. So you're saying when we provide, you take a hand, a wife her up, makedo moves,
Yeah.
take it across every month.
Yeah.
Yonke imali yakho.
Ayo.
Eyakhe.
Yeah.
Kunjalo kubona.
Vele kufanele kube
No,
njalo.
usually for a provider. So when
Kufanele
No
kube njalo.
ngithi manje amajita aba ama-provider but into ekumele yenzekile isure kumele alethe imali 50-50 everything
50-50.
ngabi ngathi maye
So if she says now I'm going 50-50 with you, which means I will probably almost person.
ayihlangene nomhlobo bomuzi le nto le yabona manje lethi side le-wrong lesizulu eyayabafetha
Uthola provide.
i-providing for now sama-provider so asikho equal to bona umhlobo bomuzi bukho equal to imali bafethu khona izinto kuyemsamo there's many things ezidinga amajita kuphela
Uma sofaka.
yeah le nto ngisho ukuthi ngisesizulwini
Okay,
Ngizakhona.
siyabuza ukuthi if she says siya 50-50 mina nawe, which means I will control the most, nami ngi-control the most.
yeah into kanjalo ayidingeki kumina leyo nto angifuni
In some households,
Awufuni kube njalo yomuzi.
hayi kungabi inhlobo yomuzi uba nomfazi uzoshaya isicathulo athi kwakhe la
Ufuna lokho?
hayi ngomenzani lo muntu
Hayibo senjalo.
so okay, if control the most, do everything like her.
It's fine.
yeah ngakwenza lokho
Mina ngizokuzalela nje kuphela.
oh bafethu ayikho right lo nto
Ayikho
kodwa all
right.
right
Wona
because nami ngeke ngithande
njalo.
umfazi wami ayosebenza I prefer ukuthi ahlale la egcekeni ngemondla mina because ngiyakwazi ukuspend isikhathi esiningi nomunye umjide sipani ayazi into even high school ngiyayibona lo nto
Yeah, vele yenzeka leyo.
into ekhona bafethu siyakhala la
Ayibone naleyo nto.
What if uthole u-rich girl mhlawumbe umthandi?
yo
She's going to be my provider.
Umthandi. Uthi uyamprovider, athi angizungisusa ebhalisa ngishonisa amagate. Ngifuna ukuhlala ebhalisa.
In fact, okay, word.
Ungathini?
Okay, afford a mini market. Angikwazi afford ipalette. Mongafuni lokho hamba.
futhi akafuni mina lo muntu
Yeah, afuni ipalette.
amebhalisi bakhona
So
basibhalisi
you must date or marry within your tax bracket.
yeah my guy yonke emele yenze ungayihluphi kuyofuna olokhu njani because yasho my guy la uthi bamshiya
Game. Manje if
kanjani ngoba sonke sihlangana kwe-FA Cup igcinile
Yeah, all means we FA Cup.
sihlangana kwe-FA Cup
Manje uyaphela ubona ngani yashisa ufuna uyiphuza nethi extra pairs uzosuka lapho uthi hayi ngeke
yeah akuyona ileague yami for sure ngeke ngi-afford because ngizohlula ukuthenga ne-six
Ngicela uzithenge.
thenga qala ila ngibona khona and I prefer women ozoyenza lokho hayi lapho nami ngazibamba ngey'kwenyeke mfethu ngivele but yikho ayi bafethu inzima lo nto ngicabanga ngathi sasekuseni ngithenga ama-six pack awu-2 and out
Ushophaza imalini, yeah.
my guy yabiza clubbing because u-75 rand idampi yakhona
No,
100 uyacabanga
It's 110.
i-six pack shuthi othi ngabule ngikhiphe 1,000 ngithenge i-24 but it's 1,000 something
i-strophe is overhyped
yeah kakhulu my guy but asiphume lapho hey there's something else
That's time for another day, guys.
something else
Okay, it's my pose into my afford.
yeah lapho
akazi-afford
akazi-afford akwazi ungithengisa into ongayi-afford
Why ufithe upose black namhlanje kusasa ufuna extra pairs? Doesn't make sense.
Mina ngenjoy nethekeni esindoda mask.
Ngajwayela naye. Because very yeah.
why
Z. How good. Indoda must.
No, my-
Yabona
I feel like-
ukuthi there are things that vele kumele uzenze but there are things that obonayo ukuthi hayi siyangidakela mina.
ngiyayivuma mna indoda must
Landela
at the
inhliziyo
same
boy.
time nawe kumele uzi-afford
indoda must provide
nawe kumele
Yeah.
uzi-afford
indoda must have such angivumi naleyo nto leyo
Ngoba.
yo bafethu yo bro mina ngistage mina bafethu mina ngidlaleli
Manje utotosi man.
uba mina mhlawumbe ama-comments sibheke wona akekho
Bonke awukazi.
angiyidlali okay my bro angiyidlali okay mfethu umuntu ototosa umzali wakhe
Experience.
yeah bro I'm sorry nakuma-ex amonke kodwa hayi imali bafethu ayikho ayikho imali
Kodwa phela hayi beliza hlambe ukuthenga ice cream nemama yabo.
It's fine. Take ice cream. It's fine.
mayifike kumina ngizithenga zonke into kumele ngiyithenge yeah izinto
Yebo.
Ukhipha mozoshaya phela.
it's not that but umuntu mayibhashilile umphatha kahle egcikeni
Ekugcineni ufuna ukushaya.
Also, when you rather fight than send money.
yeah bro angifuni ahambe ophuza imali namajiki yabo yonke yokuqala njengaba inkinga yabo ucela naba i-mail based mail based bro siyayishaya imali yama-out la ngaphandle utshela ulokhu njani phela send
Utshela lokhu uzofaka.
i-wallet uyi-500 ithi yo iziniggas that's why mina ngayenzi lo zinto I've been that guy angifuni kwenzeka kumina
So you're trying to tell me the audience mina manje.
bro moyisende abafethu now uyayenza think about it
Nah.
bafethu
I am
So
saying
guys,
for
how do you
years.
feel
I am
about
saying.
this? Your cherry that made friend like
Aye,
not a make this, but like a made friend.
Nah,
So like
Fuck that nigga.
that's out bro we all on the mission
We're all in the mission.
There's no friends.
for nothing
Hey, bro.
There's no friends. They want you.
Aye, yo.
They just
hi baba slow cookers
I
baba
showed it. Hey.
so you're saying you don't have girlfriends?
He's been.
Female friends.
yeah I do
You said nasty most.
No, I'm saying like a girl who's a friend. Like
Oh,
girlfriend.
you said.
that's why I don't want it it's because I'm one
Oh.
so I don't want it for me
You like each other.
I know no
So,
so for now I know
yeah.
Yeah.
You don't
No.
have a platonic friendship.
no
You don't
bafethu
have-
lento enishoyo no no ways kumanje lapho no comment hey bo
Showcase.
no bafethu no I'm not gonna answer I don't have an answer for that bafethu
It's
Can't
So what if they grew up together?
Hey, they grew up together.
Yeah.
He's been wanting her for so long.
Nah.
Nah.
Some people don't date because it's gonna ruin what they have.
What do they have?
but a guy is a guy man
Your friendship left behind your back once in a while.
a guy is a
What
guy
if they bring
Shoulder to cry on is a to ride on.
he's very dangerous
It's alright.
If she's gonna laugh and giggle to your jokes, she's gonna moan and cry to your strokes.
ah
Play around.
straight to the facts
Of course, he doing that.
I said that
I notice how caustic pellet, bro. Notice how caustic pellet everywhere. Ask me, I'll
niggas
tell
are
you.
cooking out here
And they're cooking.
So imagine a girl can't have a male friend, but a guy can have. a
No.
girl.
We're not saying that. We're not saying
yeah I am I am
Yeah, I'm not.
bafethu mina bafethu mina ngumzulu bafethu that
Kule
I
ndihamba nokuthemba.
understand
You don't trust the cherry there.
Bafethu, umama kumele axolise ukuthi wena ulale ngaphandle
Don't say it.
yeah
Damn.
my
Why
bro.
what you just assist?
Bro hayi mina ngamane ngibize ngawo wonke lamagama la kodwa
indawo eziqondiswe imali yaphansi.
because my guy you're a man
Ifike kanjani ukuze uxolise
So being a
wena?
man gives you the privilege to lala
Tulala
apart
ngaphandle.
without anything.
akumele ubuze
Uhlala
ama-questions kwakho my guy buza ama-questions kwakho
So utakuthembe kanjani mfana?
Yeah.
uzongithemba phela these niggas are cooking now cooking now
Cooking, my guy.
bro I don't know my guy
So it should be a relationship with no trust. Say bad that
We are
la mina mfethu
Timbala.
vele
Nia Timbala.
ndaba kushada yabo my bro
It's going crazy.
Going bananas.
siyakhona sobashada niyabona nani
Ngikushade boy.
mina
So you don't believe in love?
Lower manje ngicela
For now, bro, ngombono.
That's what I can say. Lower manje ngicela kushaya.
Usakhona ithemba ukuthi
You
uzomthola.
are man.
Mina, my guy, indlela kubenzima ngayo. Angicabangi, my guy. Me, bro. Bangilile, ngicabanga.
Kumele usettle bro, just settle.
Selo kubu. Laba uzogila kunjani?
Uzobona.
Hayi wena bakhetha boy. Uyikhalela intombazana.
Lapha indoda ikhali kugcineni.
Ayikho la. I'm sure we all have that story.
Cheers.
That is game babhlungu, my guy. Babhlungu.
But like yabona ukugibile ahambe omunye uzixolisa.
Now, if I go for friends,
Ingozi.
Ayingeke.
that's the way to pay back.
No.
Best way. Yadala,
Ayikho iphethe.
Yadala, boy, don't do
No, you
that.
must work on
See,
yourself.
Yeah.
You must work on yourself.
don't go there.
The best revenge.
I don't do it at all.
Move on.
I'm trying to say that.
Would you forgive cheating?
Khona iposter ngiyibonile
Siwa
ebeyithi
once by shy on that.
Liphumile waliphinisela.
Because some girls say most of your gents they're calling but I'm straight it somehow.
as long as all of bengazi etheni
Yes.
I've
The
never.
hoes mustn't know.
Otherwise,
Otherwise, it's shy. It's shy. If nobody knows.
I feel like them should understand.
Wait. Again, it depends. I will show you a color.
What?
But if
What do you mean?
yeah, when it came out, she's expecting my guy.
Bro, mina yazi ngisho ukubona imessage. I'm gone. Ngabona la konke ehlanga nayo. Imashaya.
What if you are shallow?
Yashela we understand. It's fine. But Shelo.
Uvumelana.
Why?
Mina bangabe ngavuma ungishele ngishele mina.
What's the
Oh,
What's the rule in the love of first team?
Yeah, phela kuya ngokuthi insizwa kanjani.
Nazo wensizwa kaphezulu bakho bakashayisa.
Mase vele esinye la ngihamba khona so vele ngifuna ukushintsha. Oh, shit man.
Damn, are you wrong?
No, I don't.
So I'll have my option.
Ay bro,
Ngiyacela
lapho.
ukushaye wena.
Angizoncenga bro.
Yo.
Hayi kalosa.
Kanjalo see now.
Ngizenza islima, bro. Menzenza islima man.
Eshayiwe. What's
Hey, man, run away.
Run away.
Yakho nishaye one, shaye one, shela hamba. I'm telling you, they are face labantu bayibamba leverage. Always show on leverage labantu labo.
Once was shower. Now.
Awusakhethanga uyaphuma ethandweni lapho so uyawemishini.
no
No lamba ke.
Chop rice. Must chop rice.
Zingelo dlala.
Zingelo dlala.
So man.
Not like a good guy, literally,
But
Taking one for the team. Taking one for the team.
One for the team.
One for the team.
Kono peta one.
Yeah. Taking
One for the team.
Yeah.
let's say it's the clapping. Kone squad lapho. Isabonke. Khona lo yedwa.
5.
Mhlawumbe lo yedwa uzibheke ngawo ukuze sithole laba abanye nosibheke ngawo ukuthi uhamba nawo.
Let's go for the
Go down five, my guy. One for the team. No, pretty simple then. But your team is ophuma
No,
naye.
bheka. Akanazigulana lutho.
Ngana lutho ukuthi
She's
not too good.
towards you. Let's not people.
Uyakufuna wena. Abangani baqashisa bonke.
Why selenza funa mina?
Okay.
Sekwenzekile my guy.
Izodlula question. Ufuna wena. Ukuze sihambe sonke nale ingane sipope. Kumele wena uthathe lo. Awungeza no 5 uthathe lo. Ngasinale 5.
sketch us so
Ongafuna sketch us one.
Out is if it needs over strong. I say catch out.
No niggas are crazy.
She's a 2.
You know why?
10 out of 10. 1 in the 3. Everybody is big numbers today.
Too excited.
Yeah, too is too much.
Yeah,
No,
so
you must skin the cat. It's not
What?
only boy.
Yo, that's too much.
clapping.
No.
Even if
No.
something.
I used to.
Chop my money. Used to.
But a serious pub, not like bro.
How much?
Serious.
I heard
How much
it's,
a serious
I heard it's like about 1.5, my guy.
You've heard.
See, if
Yeah, nah, somewhere around Margate.
Oh,
Tell me how much.
How do you know?
No, bro.
No, just hearsay about word of mouth.
Bro sold me.
Oh,
And they showed me on Twitter, oh, it's someone from downtown.
Mention names, my guy.
No.
Someone.
Imagine. So you buy serious bombs. What are serious bombs?
Yeah, that's where I'm going.
How much are serious bombs? How are serious bombs?
Serious pounds.
Very fast about serious crap.
Estimation.
About my 7 out of 10 hands, 8 out of 10 hands.
How much?
No, boy. That's fine. They want to also the hot man's buy for the small boys.
So they bought for you. Or you're the hot man.
No, I'm not a hot man. I have
They
hot
fought for you.
mans. Yeah. They buy for small
Nah.
boys.
How much are they?
Shia boy.
Wait.
Shia.
Hey, my.
Nah, ngiyakwazi but kwakuphoqa at the time because
Makhulumane eqhakazeni.
bro amahot man ayothatha wabo nami ayothenga nama conscience say no.
Hey.
Right, so cabang otherwise.
Oh, so so my guy, what he's saying is this guy is ama namakhulumane ziyathenga.
Most.
Alleged.
No, ngisho ukuthi most ngiyaxolisa ngizange.
Oh my guy.
Alleged.
You know something. Alleged.
Before they come for you, bakhona abathengisa.
Yeah. But enye into Hans basuka like coast they go to Durban baqala bashintshe.
They do shit that side.
Oh my god, I know a few kodwa ngeke ngisho amagama but yeah.
Don't mention any names.
No,
They are watching.
Not
They are watching. And they asking, but it's going, huh?
And nah, bro.
Business is booming.
No, I'm not judge. Don't sing it.
It's only God can
judge.
Hustling is hustling.
Yeah.
So hustling with bombs is not a bad thing.
No, it's not a bad thing. It's not. It's not a bad thing. I'll say it's how. Only money that
You support.
You support.
A daughter decides to open OnlyFans.
OnlyFans.
I'm not sure I'll provide for
How?
Selling.
She's selling.
Yeah.
Damn. If my daughter opens OnlyFans,
Yeah.
OnlyFans, only toes.
Yo, OnlyFans.
OnlyFans.
Yo.
So you guys are going to date the chick first OnlyFans.
Nah, my guy.
Would you?
Chasing the judge now.
Nah.
What bad?
When I make my own OnlyFans, they are.
As no, I'm not gonna show my face because I'm not body part.
Exactly.
How when I funny man?
Oh, son, what was son? Hey,
Why
must chop.
How?
OnlyFans, we're gonna hustle together, man.
Exactly.
There's no other way.
That's what way.
Where fuckers? I don't even know, but
I feel like your niggas do something or watch something. What scheme is? Alright.
Which skills do you know?
I'm passing. I wanna know something from you all there.
Hey man. Tell us.
It's not
Why?
Not for me. Yeah.
I know what I'm saying.
Not for me.
OnlyFans.
Hey, nah.
Hey man, fuck it, we all.
I told you this nigga's understanding.
I'm getting it back.
This nigga's understanding.
I'm getting it
No
back.
one is chopping.
Oh. If no one is chopping, that's a bonus.
You know, always there to be overthinking things.
As you say,
You don't know OnlyFans.
OnlyFans. Only toes.
It's different if you're saying Betty Hub or something. They're like,
What's Betty Hub?
What's very happy?
come on, guys. I'm not
You know things. That's Betty Hub.
Is that a website?
Even me.
No, I'm not gonna say the P word, yo, boy. It's websites are boring here.
How do you know them?
It's tough, boy. It's tough.
How do you know them? Very hard.
No.
No, I'm taking the word P.
Pornhub. Pornhub.
Yes.
Oh.
No, you have to go and search. Hey, you're hungry, huh? No, hungry. Hey, boy, I'll be there.
Oh my God.
Yeah, boy.
What was the question you wanted to ask me?
Did all the fans go?
Not a doubt.
Nah, bro. Why?
Skip you.
Baddies.
Not for me.
Not at all, my guy. Not
If
even.
I'm the one shopping, I'm getting the shit.
No, Probazi Shebo Zap, you are dead.
I'm getting the bag, bro. I don't care.
It's easy. Siyayazi ndithola.
Baddies.
Niyaza man.
That's not bad. Yo, just be in the toilet.
Choking the cat, choking the chicken.
Choking the steak.
Hey, my man.
Getting the bag.
Hey.
Y'all not focused. Look it.
This nigga's crazy.
Only money that I want.
Nigga's crazy.
Okay, there's something I saw from Indoda tweet. It's like a question, like a quote. They say
Your black tweet.
They say a girl's past is more important than her degree.
Yes.
It's true or false?
True.
Very important. The
True and
past.
why?
And why?
Yeah, a girl's past is more important than her degree.
That's the past is mine who you are.
No.
Yeah.
It can determine. Here you see the English.
Oh my God.
Yeah,
It
my
can
God.
determine who you will be. You know what I mean?
No.
The past.
The past, can.
Okay,
And who you become.
No.
Depends. No. The past? You don't care about the past?
But thinking
I
our
tell you,
face with some
hey,
outside team around him.
me, I
So-
care
so-
about the past. Past
No,
is
one thing
irrelevant.
about us. One thing about
Yeah?
us, we care.
You must know.
Umuntu uzothini.
Yeah.
Yes.
But say that day, man,
Man, you said, yo, boy, hey, I was with your heart, boy, we're busy.
Nowadays,
Glittering on her face, hey. Hey, what can you do? You went there.
yeah, ndingabalekanga nje lento yokuthi induku enhle ikhawuleze ezweni no.
you dating.
Uzawumazi
look for, take old fans.
usuka lento enzima.
You see this, that, and the other.
The minute ubatshela ukuthi
You shouldn't care about number 5.
You shouldn't care in public, but in private you must.
My
Hey,
guy, I
that's the
told you
code.
you are understanding.
I'm
too much.
understanding. I don't
You.
mind.
You understand.
Me. Yeah. We'll agree to disagree. I am. Pimp. Yo, pimping is for bigger cities. It's only in a bigger city. You can't be pimping here in Miami. What you wanna pimp? Shomals. When you go to the bigger cities, that's when you have the.
What you saying? What do you mean, Shobos?
Hey, like grenades. It's fuck just
Marcelo said,
those negative numbers.
Tell me, they know now hands here.
Aye, boy, I didn't say that. But you cannot be
only my
pimping.
cherry.
Pimping? Who you pimping?
Who's your cherry?
Who's your cherry?
What if
The one and only not chick.
It's fine.
So you understanding, you
You
don't
don't
care about
understand.
Keep your fans to yourself.
What I don't know cannot
Orlando, they carry points.
It's fine.
There's something called the Yama Engwenya though. You should try it out.
So,
TPGs.
yeah, it takes out the smell.
Aguloni hleso. Hey man.
I mean, he eats all that human.
What kind of thing I got?
Yeah, man.
Who, me?
Yeah, you need a child,
It's not
man.
that deep. It's not that
Crocodile meat.
It's not that deep.
It's not that deep.
Reason.
So what if you date a girl man, for like over 6 months and stuff? Then later on you find out that fired that she was like smashed by 20 girls the same night. No, like,
In the past,
okay, let's say in
in the
your
past.
talking stage.
in our talking stage,
Yeah.
oh,
Your niggas
it's tough,
talking.
boy. Tough.
I'll pay you the
It's tough, boy. If I'm not,
Uzokuzwa kanjani? Uzokuzwa kanjani? Bro,
3 gents in one night.
3 ones uzwa
But
kanjani?
the thing is, you've been dating for 6 months. months.
Hey.
Later on 6 months. So you're telling me.
Same time.
No, so you're telling me in this whole 6 months.
I was
you hear it.
You. 3 niggas.
You enjoy it.
3 niggas.
If she can take 3 akawuzi
You
one.
didn't know.
Futhi yakwazi ukuthi one la kuwena hamba.
Which
Omunye.
who else can this?
Yeah, you understand.
Oh my god.
Oh, good yazi.
Dangerous.
Maybe you like get a chick who's been hit by 3 guys in the same night.
Not that I know
Same
of.
night.
No.
Yeah.
How would you
Not
know?
that I know of.
Yo, how would you
That's
know?
it,
Okay,
victim.
nice blue side, bro.
Oh,
A nice blue side.
that's like a
Hey, bro, I haven't been that lucky.
Hey.
So, have you heard it?
Yeah,
This
bro.
song?
Me?
Yes.
No.
Why are you smiling though? You know something.
No.
You have a lot of files.
Yes, this one.
Lot of
threesome.
fun.
Owens, nobody's
you.
had a
Nobody-
threesome.
You know
Why are you been smiling about so many
night.
things?
What do you know about me?
What about
I'll do anything,
How
baba.
was it?
It was very interesting. I was tispy, not drunk, tispy. And things were, you see.
So in the threesome, what was the other one?
The other one, plays with me. So,
Yeah, that's
plays
a
with me,
good.
man, dog. Like, as I'm chowing this one, the other one is sleeping. And then I'm like, want me to wake this one up? Chop, 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 chop.
Oh my
Hey, my
god.
man, to be honest, that was nice. It was a nice experience.
You recommend it,
10 out of 10 would do again. Yes.
Name.
Respectfully, though.
Nah.
Who was that?
I want to farm 5, 6. Yeah, as many as I can get. As many.
You like chowing, you?
Who doesn't?
You gay.
Hey, my man.
Blue collar, forget about the collar.
Hey, these are my cards.
What
Right this.
Yo, in the morning, waking up. Hey, who are these
Who are
boys?
these
Who are these-
Yeah.
Like nothing happened. But only I came back with 3 truths.
From where now?
I said with truths. I know.
This nigga is something else,
And
eh?
I had to do anything for truth. Anything for truth. Yeah.
Yeah, it's crazy. Crazy
I had
experience, but crazy.
Lovely.
Chowing still.
And you see in that whole like, situation, the homies were like, hey, these honeys, yeah, what? It's like, yeah, your niggas are bound. You scared?
You know what?
So like, was it like a party or something?
It wasn't a party. It was like
How did you guys?
So let me take
Yeah,
your back,
just give us
man.
the
How I do so well. So basically, I'm going with the homie. Hey, I just got my hair cut. You know what I mean? Hey, the confidence level.
Confidence level.
Yeah.
I ride with my brother. Hey, it's on the floor. Oh, shy said there by the staircase. Hey, some staircase from somewhere. I won't mention places or names or anything. Because the thing is gonna go piece of me. Hey, next thing you know, we pull through. I can see. Hey, I'm telling the one homie in the other cab, would say, hey, I want these cherries. These homies here that I'm with, they fucking around. There was 4 cherries in the cab. The one homie has a staircase. The other one is busy, you know. Hey, me, I'm busy. Hey, when I pull through to their cab, to their car, the first one I talked to, Miles, she's smoking vapor, he's smoking truth. Act like she doesn't know me. Oh, next thing you know, I go in the back, go to the other friend. The other friend speaks English. Yo,
Now.
see now. See.
Was the first one to see English?
No, the first one was Zulu.
That's why.
That's why I was like, all right.
Now I understand.
All right, it's fine.
English is
Okay,
a
it's
problem.
fine. Next thing you know, this shorty was like, hey,
It's
we a
worse.
couple. I'm like, hey, start kissing each other. Okay.
The girls.
The girls.
Oh yeah.
Hang disrespecting me.
It wasn't now.
Oh, okay, it's fine. It's tough. It's tough. All right, hey, I chill. Hey, next thing you know, they're both in the backseat with me. The one who minds me is now sleeping on my shoulder.
Oh,
Shoulder to cry on. To ride on. All right. Next thing you know, we go to the second location. We had a PNB level.
Yeah.
You see PNB level. When I pulled through, chicken. These ones, same time, they started getting busy with each other. I was there, shy as shit. Like, what the fuck is going on? These motherfuckers here, are they doing in front of me? I'm looking at myself in the mirror, like, my nigga, what's going on? You know what? I let them do whatever they thought they were doing. whatever they thought they were doing, because it's not like it stuff.
Yeah.
Alright.
We're gonna do
When they were done, I was like, oh, you enjoy yourself? Was it nice? Okay. Park in the middle. Like, oh, the other one, like, oh, would you mind if I watch?
The couple.
Watch me do what? Tell me off. I don't mind doing
Of course.
Of course. Hey, me. Same time. Oh,
That's shy, boy.
What the
What the
hell?
fuck who you think you're busy fucking around with me? Oh, next thing you know, I wanna ride you like a horse.
Yo.
I
Ghost right.
was stuck. I was angry. Because these two were disrespecting me.
Yeah, bro.
They didn't even ask me on a job. Like, I'm not gonna just go and touch you. Okay, now it's my turn. Oh. One side. The next one, the one who reminds me in the beginning, fine shit, man.
What's the issue?
This one, I got you. See that one was English.
Yeah, my guy.
The Kilimanjaro.
Oh my G.
Alright.
On to the next.
Now you leave me with the one I've been wanting. Okay.
Inside.
You clear me.
That's inside. Oh wow.
For my inside.
Hey my man, when you're doing
So you went. Hey, my guy.
from this one to that one, from that one to this one.
Economize.
My boy.
It was nice for that.
My son, you
Patient.
I go, what are you gonna get?
Oh, Falaga, wow. That's a man.
My man.
Oh,
My man. All I can tell you was after that, I felt like after everything, I went to the clinic to go and check.
Yeah, you must make sure,
I
man.
checked and I was
know.
cool. I was cool. Then after that, you know what I did?
what if you
Called
have
my
a baby that
shorty.
you don't know?
I'm like, hey, mom,
She's
and she
going.
came
So you
through.
showed what happened?
No, I called her so I can just, just to see if I still have it. And I,
She's gonna be watching.
no,
that's
not the
okay.
current,
That's the
not the
current.
current.
Oh,
That's my wife.
Mm.
First of all,
yeah.
past, isn't it the past?
Mm.
Past.
What if you have a baby that you don't know of?
Yeah. It happens.
Actually, all of you. Let's go.
You see, if I have a
Let's go
baby,
with the question. What if you have a baby?
I'm going to honor that child very soon. It's just that
Yeah,
time
yeah,
is of the
time.
essence. Hey, I'm still fucking around. Kids.
What you fucking around? Okay.
Kids.
No.
So if you're a kid now that you don't know of, and sooner or later, truth comes out
Uh-huh.
that you have a kid.
DNA.
I got loads of and then I'm going to be a
owning
present
the
father.
child.
You are a present father.
It's not like I'm gonna be like, hey, fuck you. One.
What if it's that one child you say never gonna fuck again?
It's not about the father, it's about the
It's
child.
about the child.
Everything that happens in the
Child is
comes
very
to life
important.
eventually.
Then the baby will be like, I wanna ask to be
No.
Waiting with this.
No.
Devil. Holy Ghost fire.
For the sake of the child.
Sake of the child. Yeah.
Now call the mom.
There's
God,
co-parenting. This is what wrong.
Oh, man.
Co-parenting. What?
What the umshalo.
Akunawankinga ngithatha ingane yami ngihamba straight.
It's fine. Manje ngisamshaya sengifuna ingane.
Hamba straight nengane yami sihlangane. Straight my guy. Inkinga ziyenzeka wena. Say
So yeah, when it comes to providing for the baby, do you like buy for the baby or do you send money?
bye my guy.
Hey, sending money, boy. And
Next thing you know, your hand is busy posting ice
With made pasty, bro. Made pasties
I showed it to Lion. He's the one to Lion.
When you go check on your child, yo, it's bad. Don't trust a woman, especially with your money. Money.
You know, when you speak like this, they say it's broke boy mentality.
Yo,
Do you agree with
I
that?
don't give a fuck, my guy.
I mean,
But I know my account, bro.
Oh.
That's what's important.
Yes, sir.
You have money in your account.
I didn't say that. I said I know my account.
He said he knows.
He knows his account of that.
So if like what a chico says, can you clear my card? Machine card.
Bullshit.
Current, yes.
Aye,
but others know.
Okay, what?
When did you get there?
Current, yes, but others know.
Me, I'm not understanding, guys.
Buying online for her.
Oh my gosh, buy for her.
Yeah.
Whose money?
Your money.
My money.
Your wife.
Oh, now.
Yeah.
I wouldn't mind.
You.
But a random Jezebel.
How franchise, man.
Why we will? Am I a pimp? I am not a pimp. I am not not yet.
I
get.
Bye.
All niggas are playing, man.
On that note, guys, let's close it.
Cut it short.
Thank you guys for watching.
Shout out to
Tune in,
everybody.
Subscribe, like.
Make sure you watch it.
Yeah, on the 30th of November, right? Yeah, on the 30th.
Yes,
If your car doesn't go,
these are 47 bars.
Forget about it. On the floor.
Come through, pull up in numbers. We'll be there. So under sessions, we'll be interviewing everyone there. Pull through.
yes.
Bring the baddies.
Yes.
Bring your cards.
Bring your cards.
Bring your mamas.
Bring your female.